we have given that 2p by p square minus 2p plus 1 is equal to 1 by 4. Then p plus 1 by p is equal to what? So the first method, we have 2p by p square minus 2p plus 1 is equal to 1 by 4. So p square minus 2p plus 1 by 2p, it will be equal to 4. And if we multiply both sides with 2, then 2 times p square minus 2p plus 1 by 2p, it will be equal to 2 times 4. And 2 will get cancelled. So p square minus 2p plus 1 by p, it is equal to 8. And it is p square by p minus 2p by p plus 1 by p, that is equal to 8. And 1p will get cancelled, so it is p minus, and here p will get cancelled, so it is 2 plus 1 by p, that is equal to 8. So p plus 1 by p, it will be equal to 8 plus 2, that is 10. And the second method, we have 2p by p square minus 2p plus 1 is equal to 1 by 4. And if we cross multiply, then 2p times 4, it will be equal to p square minus 2p plus 1, and it is 8p is equal to p square minus 2p plus 1, and 8p plus 2p, it will be equal to p square plus 1, and it is 10p is equal to p square plus 1. And if we divide both sides with p, then 10p by p, it will be equal to p square plus 1 by p, and p will get cancelled, so 10 is equal to p square by p plus 1 by p, and 1p will get cancelled, so 10 is equal to p plus 1 by p, so p plus 1 by p is equal to 10. It is 10.